Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Nadia binti Zaki, DN07190008, a Newton College student. I have completed the assignment given by my lecturer, and now I will present the introduction to risk management and its importance. Okay, first, what is security risk management? Security risk management is an ongoing process to identify these security risks and implement plans to address them. In addition, risk is determined by considering possible not threat to capitalize on their weakness and their impact on valuable assets. In addition, risk management is the process of identifying potential risks, assessing the effect of those risks, and planning how to respond should risks become a reality. This is because it is important for every organization, regardless of size or industries, to develop a capable security management plan. Okay, second, what is the importance of risk management? Risk management is important in an organization because without it, a company may not be able to determine its objective for the future. The overall purpose of risk management is to ensure the company only takes risks that will help achieve its core objective while ensuring all other risks are under control. Thank you.
Security risk management is an ongoing process to identify the security risks and implement plans to address them. In addition, risk is determined by considering the possible known threats to take advantage of their weaknesses and their impact on valuable assets. In addition, risk management is the process of identifying potential risks, assessing the effects of those risks, and planning how to respond if the risks become a reality. This is because it is important for every organization, regardless of size or industry, to develop a capable security management plan.
Assalamualaikum and hi guys, I am Aina Mizura from batch 19. My ID number is DEM0619033. So today I will continue my friend's presentation for my group. So I will explain about the question define your project and intro of explain on risk analysis and risk assessment. Okay, what is risk analysis and risk assessment? Okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, risk analysis is a method used to define and analyze conditions that could jeopardize the progress of a project or the accomplishment of a goal. Meanwhile, risk assessment is a combined attempt to recognize and evaluate potential and possible incidents can have a negative impact on person, properties, and environment. Our project for risk assessment is a business risk at a food restaurant. Okay, so for business risk at food restaurant, due to pandemic of COVID-19, one of the risks that they faced was when it necessary to comply with the standard operating procedure, which is SOP, by the government, which does not allow customers to dine in at restaurants during movement control order, or we known as MCO. Related to the circumstance they face where customers are not able to dine in to lead the operator to face massive loss. This is because customers prefer to be bought by hawkers outside or on the street rather than by restaurants because it makes it easy for them in busy conditions. The majority restaurants operator experience losses in terms of the raw materials that have supplied, such like meat, vegetable, and many raw materials that they have supplied should be discarded when the SOP is announced on MCO 2.0. So that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my friends. Okay, so thank you. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nasaruddin, course DEM 0719005. Alright, I will present about the risk analysis. Alright, here we go. Okay, identify the hazard risky and activity desired who might be harm the evaluate the risk and decide on precautions. The step record your finding in a risk assessment and management plan and implement them. Review your assessment and update if necessary. Okay. I will explain about a little about risk analysis. For example, in a restaurant, alright, in a restaurant, a probability will cause employers to run away because the employer does not give a full pay their employers. This is a cost in the case of fraud. Beside it, most likely also the dishes we made are easily stale and less attractive. By the way, we present, but we can improve a little by little. Alright. Moreover, if the store is not clean and dirty, it will most likely bring a very harmful things to the customers. So cleanliness is a very important to all. Right? Every restaurant make important is the cleanliness for the customer eat healthy and everything. Moreover, if we do not improve our skills, there may not be any buyers who will buy because of our lack of skill to make the products. Alright. Okay.
My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Syaril from batch 19. About problem faced by restaurant tricks. I mean restaurant tricks jalan kedai ketempang tu lah gitu. This is because COVID-19 and sebab itulah punca masalah ni berlaku. Yeah. And the problem is number one is
you boys.
Apa itu?
Sure.
they got not pay the store rent. Yeah. Number two is employee fired for not having able to pay salaries. Number three is they themselves do not have money for their own for daily. Number four is term in the store become stale or worn. Yeah, because the MCO so long time, 1 year ago. Many company can bankrupt because their business not can open and bankrupt. Maksud saya banyak company akan bankrupt, maksudnya banyak pun bankrupt selepas terjadinya COVID-19 ni dan MCO ni, sebab mereka tak dapat nak buka kedai, mereka tak dapat nak buka segalanya bisnes diorang lah. Jadi COVID-19 ni banyak menjejaskan rakyat dan countries. Dah. So thank you for today. That's all my explanation about problems to restoran di jalan. So I want to say sorry because if in my video so many mistakes, so I want to say sorry. I want to say stay safe, stay home.
Hi everyone, my name is Chandra Binti Azman. My ID number is DM061909. So today I would like to present about my part, which is the conclusion. What can I conclude from my part is everything we do in our life is literally risky, and we should be more careful in our life by doing better, especially in risk management. It can reduce all the risks that can happen if you are quick preventing things that can happen. So next, we should be more focused on places that are more at risk for unwanted things to happen, such as at the construction places, at the criminal places, at the bank, and at our home. So we should be more focused to preventing from the criminal or unwanted things to happen in this area. There are many ways to prevent the unwanted things to happen, such as you can put an alarm to your shop or your supermarket to prevent the thief from go inside to your shop. Secondly, at the construction places, the construction workers must and should wear their safety jacket and their safety helmet to prevent their safety. So that's all for my point. Thank you guys and stay safe. Bye.